So this week, I just got off the call with a CPA who told me that they've had enough and they're going to sell their accounting practice. They're out, they've had enough. They're saying, Eric, I'm done, I'm finished. And I'm really sad for them. I'm excited, I'm happy for them, but I'm sad for them at the same time. I'm sad because of why they're gonna leave the profession. And here's the thing, the reason why they're leaving the profession, and I'm just gonna refer back to more of the Canadian standards right now. I work with CPA firms across North America, but I'm gonna talk about the Canadian standards. The Canadian CPA Association is putting on these whole new all these new requirements for a quality assurance manual. They call it the QAM, of course, because accountants love their acronyms. It's the QAM. And so the QAM is creating an immense amount of extra work for accounting firms. And it's basically a list of regulations and rules that you all have to do to keep your accounting firm in check with the professional body. Has nothing to do with creating more value for your clients. I want to reiterate that one more time because I'm really fucking pissed about this. It doesn't create more value for your clients. It's a bureaucratic checklist for accountants, okay? This checklist is becoming so overwhelming for accounting firms. This woman, she's gonna quit. She's gonna sell her firm, okay? Now, if you want to sell your firm, great. Go out of the profession, great, no problem. But the fact that our professional body is making it so brutal on accountants and they want to leave the profession, this is like, it's absolute, you can tell I'm fired up, I'm pissed off, okay? But here's the thing, I finally got it, I finally figured this out. And this is what I've realized is that all the accounting firms that I work with, they're going, Eric, why do I have my freedom? Why do I feel so constrained? I can't create the value I want to create for clients. Because in an entrepreneurial system, okay, so here's entrepreneurs. These are entrepreneurs, and what they do, and I can't spell to save my life, so I spell this wrong, my apologies. Entrepreneur. Okay, so entrepreneurs, what's the number one thing that entrepreneurs do? They create value. You get value, and then you get paid a price, right? So that's how that works. You create value. So we're always looking to increase value. That's what entrepreneurs want to do. Entrepreneurial system is about creating value in the world, and when you create value in the world, you get paid for it. And entrepreneurs are constantly looking to create more value. Here's the problem, and I finally got it. It finally nailed it on me. The accounting profession, our professional accounting bodies in Canada, in the United States, are they entrepreneurial organizations? No. What are they? They're bureaucratic, okay? And I can't spell, so don't do it. That's, I think, EAU, bureaucratic. Doesn't matter. You know what chartered accountants, I'm a chartered accountant by trade. A CA, it means it can't add. I can't spell. Doesn't matter. Spelling is not the issue here. It's bureaucratic. They're a bureaucratic organization. That's going to drive me nuts. Anyways, they're a bureaucratic organization. And what's going on here? What do bureaucratic organizations do? It's all about control. Right? It's all about control and lists and controlling the situation. Bureaucratic organizations do not foster value creation, do they? They're all about control but like think in governments, they're just they hold everything down. Well, this CPA profession, us as CPAs trying to run our own accounting practices, creating value, we're trying to be entrepreneurs, because that's what we're doing, is controlled by a bureaucratic machine. And this bureaucratic machine is the one that's teaching accountants how to be accountants. They're giving them all the training. Think about it. Every training, all the schooling you're done is by a bureaucratic organization. All the rules and regulations, everything is administered from this top bureaucratic machine. And anybody who's in public practice understand this. They get so mad at their professional bodies because they're like, they have no reality of what it's like on the ground. Working here with business owners, right? Your owner-manager businesses, and you're working with clients over here, and you're engaging the market. You're working with the market. This is the real world, right? This is the real world here. And this is the bureaucratic world up here. And so I get it now. It's taken me a long time to figure this out, but it was when I got this phone call or this email from someone that has been following me, the Accountant Success Forum, and they finally said, Eric, I've had enough. I'm out. And it's all because the bureaucratic organization is pushing down on the entrepreneurial accountant. So there's no wonder that accountants are having such a hard time creating value or want to break out of it. We've been, and in the accountant success forum, I talk about this, we've been brainwashed by our profession to accept the billable hour as the only way to do things, and to putting numbers in boxes and following our checklists and filling out our quality assurance manual. Make sure it's quality assurance. It's got to be quality assurance. Well, what about value creation? Because when we create value for our end user, our clients, and give them what they want, then they pay us. That's how the capitalistic system works. That's how the markets work. When bureaucratic organizations come in, they just put layer upon layer of restrictions and tell you how to do things. So if you're out there and you're an accountant and you're getting frustrated, just think about it. It's because of the bureaucratic organization is over you trying to control you. Now, I'm not telling you that you want to break free and we're going to do a revolution on this whole thing, which might be nice, but I'm just going to say I'm sick and tired of our professional bodies ruining our entrepreneurial journey. So the Accountant Success Formula will show you how to break free of a whole bunch of those chains, and so you can claim back your business model, or claim back your life. And that's what I say all the time. When you take back control of your business model, you can take back control of your life. But this is why accountants are frustrated. Governments, think about this, the tax government, so you got CRA and the IRS over here. Well, what are they? And they're telling you all the things you have to do now, all these filings you have to do on your clients. It's a bureaucratic organization. That's where all the stress is coming from. Again, I'm on a tear today, but my apologies. But I just wanted to point this out. This is where the problem's coming in. If you're an entrepreneurial CPA and you want to create more value for your clients and you want to find a way of creating more value in the world and bring more value out there so you can start collecting that and getting paid for what you're worth, reach out to me, let me know, because I'm giving away the Accountant Success Formula for free. Now I'm giving it away for free. The online course is completely free. If you want to work with me, we can talk about that. I can do that, or I've got coaching programs, that's separate. But the online course I'm giving away for free because I am sick and tired of this. I'm sick and tired of the bureaucratic organizations imposing and holding back the will of the entrepreneurial CPA so they can flourish and claim back their 3 freedoms. There you go. That is my rant for this week. I finally got it. Bureaucratic organizations stifling the entrepreneurial CPA. As always, I'm Eric Solback, and reminding you that when you take back control of your business model, you can take back control of your life. Stay tuned for more success tips to come.